ஃபில்மி பீட் ஃபேன்ஸ் எல்லாருக்கும் வணக்கம். பக்கத்தில் 6 அடி 2 அங்குலம் இருக்கக்கூடிய ஜான் லூக்கஸ் இப்படின்னு குதிச்சா கூட அவர் ஹைட்டுக்கு நான் வர முடியாது. இருந்தாலும் அந்த அளவுக்கு பயங்கர பாடி ஸ்டாமினாவோட ஒரு செம படம் பண்ணியிருக்காரு. செம திமிரு படம் பேர். நம்ம அர்ஜுன் சாரோடைய தங்கச்சி பையன் துருவ் சார்ஜாவுடைய படத்தில் முக்கியமான 4 வில்லன்களில் இவரும் ஒருத்தர். ஹாய், வெல்கம் டு இந்தியா, வெல்கம் டு தமிழ் சினிமா.
Thank you so much for having me.
I am very happy and seeing you in such a wonderful movie. How is your feel acting in a Tamil and bilingual process?
It was an incredible experience, one experience that I'll never ever forget, and one that I definitely want to repeat. So hopefully you guys will see me again in another movie.
Okay, well, actually, what do you do for the fight sequence and all? Because lots and lots of stuff has been happened in the fighting with Dhruv. So tell about the punches, what you gave and the punches you received.
Okay.
Look at the camera.
Yeah, there's. I mean, the action is epic in the movie.
Okay.
There's a lot of punching and kicking, but there's also a lot of like WWE moves and throwing people around and spinning people around and I think you guys will be highly entertained when you see what we've done for you guys.
Okay, regarding this stunt sequence, who is your all-time favorite role model? The best stunt sequence, what and all you see often?
Well, you know who impressed me was actually Dhruv. Dhruv impressed me with his stunts. He was unbelievable, my brother. The way he moves and the talent that he has was a real lesson for the other, the 4 bodybuilders. And we learned from him, and we took notes from him.
Okay.
Yeah.
In comparing with all the 4 people whom you all together, what was the most happening things happened in the shooting spot? Please share some moments.
Well, we had some really good times. I mean, we shot through the night for 20 nights. So we started at 6 p.m. and 6 a.m. in the night, and we had some great times where we hung out in the caravan. Kai Green was I first saw Kai Green on a magazine when I was 16 years old.
Okay.
So just getting to the movie and having Kai in the movie with me was an incredible experience. He's such a gentleman, and we had some big laughs. It was very fun. Yeah.
Really proud moment to see all the 4 in this such a wonderful movie. In Tamil cinema industry, lot of popular film stars are there. What are the names you recognize? These are the names which very popular. Wherever I go, I can listen to these names. Tell the heroes' names or any names.
In Tamil?
Yeah.
In the Tamil industry, I mean, the person I knew the most was the action king was Arjun Sarja. that was the actor that I knew. I've been coming to India for 6 years actually.
Okay.
But most of my time I've actually spent up north. So I do know a lot of the more northern actors. So I'm really pleased to come down south and to start, in this industry.
Okay.
So maybe you can tell me who should I look out for?
There are a lot of people doing different character roles. Okay. You should watch all the people there.
I'm trying to do that.
Yeah, and tell some wonderful tips for our Tamil audience and Tamil bodybuilders. There are a lot of Tamilians who do a lot of bodybuilding. Tell some wonderful tips from your country.
Sure. Okay, firstly, guys, to build a physique doesn't happen overnight. You need patience, and not only do you need patience, but you need a lot of self-discipline. Okay,
yes.
A lot of people think that you just have to go to gym and you have to train really hard. They don't understand that the time outside of the gym, when we're eating our food and that type of thing, that is the most important time. So in this sport, it's a 24-hour sport. So to all you youngsters out there, if you guys are looking to put on some muscle, remember to eat as much food as you possibly can, get those calories in, and train hard. So it's not just about the training, guys. It's about training and eating, getting that nutrition in so that you can turn that nutrition into some muscle. And then again, just have some patience and trust the process. A lot of people, when they start this game, they get a little bit impatient because they want to see results so fast. Trust the process. Your body is learning, and you guys will grow, and you'll get as big as me if you want to.
Well said. Thanks a lot for the wonderful tips, what and all you gave. And last but not the least, all the South Indian cinema people whom we admire as a bodybuilder is Arnold Schwarzenegger.
Yes.
So what is your opinion whenever you say Arnold movie? What is the most relevant thing which comes to your mind?
Well, firstly, I've met Arnold actually twice, and he was amazing. But I mean, the best movie of Arnold's, I would have to say, would be Terminator. That's the one that comes to mind.
All-time favorite.
All-time favorite. But yeah, I mean, anything Arnold touches is gold. It's pure gold.
Okay, thanks a lot for being the part of Sema Timuru, this movie, and we expect lot of different character roles to be associated. Being a part of One India, we wish you all success and keep rocking.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, thank you. Thanks a lot. Bye bye.